Okay. Body A is originally moving east. So uyakwa right. Body A initial uyakwa right. North, south, yes. Uyakwa right, but okubalulekile west no east. Uyakwa right body A originally. The momentum versus time graph of body A is shown below. So initially momentum leyana ka-body B, but iyahamba inciphe ibe u-50. So kule portion le ngapha, le object iya kuphi? Iya kwa-east. Kule portion le ngapha sishintshe i-direction, singasho sithi siya kwa-west ngoba i-momentum yethu seyi-negative manje. Ake size umbuzo ukuthi uthini. The resultant force acting on body A is 0 between T equal to 10 and T equal to 20. Refer to the graph and the relevant equation to explain whether this statement is true or not. 4.2. Mhlambe before siphendule yes or not. Singaqala nansi equation. F net change in T is equal to change in momentum. So F net change in momentum over change in T. Singasho sithi P final minus P initial over T final minus T initial. P final ubani? P final 50. P initial ubani? P initial 50. Should minus 50. Isikhathi 20 la. T final 20. T initial minus 10. So ngehla sino 0. Ngezathu sino 10. Uzosinikeza 0. So kuyiqiniso. Why kuyiqiniso? Change in momentum is 0. Therefore, F net naye is 0. Kuyiqiniso. Now check nayo ngeformula uyabona ukuthi kuyaphuma. Bathi-ke calculate the force which body A experiences between T20 and T50. So bafuna i-force body A experience out between T50 and T50 and T20. So sizorita laphaya siphinde sirite laphaya. Oh, this is the initial momentum. This is the final momentum. khumbule la kuma-y-axis sinikezwe i-momentum and i-momentum p. Bathi-ke asitholeni i-force e-experience-wa u-object A. So sizosebenzisa yona le formula le. F net times change in t is equal to change in momentum. This is an impulse momentum equation. So P final minus P initial. F net is over T final minus T initial. P final wethu minus 120. Now P final. P initial of 50. T final of 50. T initial of 20. Minus 120 minus 50 over 50 minus 20. Okusinikeza minus 5,6667 newtons. Sekuzoba 5,6667 newtons. Singasho sithi since negative, khumbule sizothi ukuya kwa-east u-positive, so kuya kwa-west, so le force le yethu ibheke kwa-west, e-experience of-object A, west. Kwesinye isikhathi singathi left. Bathini-ke after lapho bathi at T50, body A collides with another body B of mass 3 kilograms, which has the momentum of 70 kilograms meters per second east. So ukhumbule ukuthi okay, nangu body A. Asike sisodwa body B lo. Nangu body A. Body B lo khulunywa ngayo kuthiwa uya kwa-east. Body A nangu phela use-negative futhi useya kuphi kwa-west. Usezocollide no-body B lo kukhulunywa ngayo umusho. So i-momentum ka-body A ngaleso sikhathi leso bekubani? Beku-minus 120. Ngalesi sikhathi bezocollide nakhe. I-momentum ka-B beku-70. Beku-70 kilograms meters per second. After i-collision, i-momentum nansi, after collision nansi i-momentum kabani? Ka-B, ka-A, I mean, ka-A, seku-50 kilograms meters per second. So this is after the collision for object B. I-momentum yakhe final nansi ka-A, final momentum ka-A. So thina basibuza i-final momentum, sibuke question kahle. Bathi calculate the velocity of body B after the collision. So thina sibuzwe nge-velocity ka-body B after collision ukuthi izobenze njani. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi u-body A uzobe eya kwa-right after collision ngoba use-positive momentum yakhe. Into esisele manje u-B. Singathola i-momentum kuqala ka-B or konke nje sikwenze kwi-formula eyi-1. So sizothi sum of momentums before is equal to sum of momentums after. So i-momentum, so la isidingo sokuthi i-formula siyivula asikho ngoba sinikezwe i-momentum vele. Sikho isidingo sokuthi sithi MV. So i-momentum ka-A plus i-momentum ka-B, initial, ngibhala kabi. Momentum ka-B, initial, momentum ka-A, initial, i-momentum ka-A, final, plus i-momentum ka-B, plus i-momentum ka-B, final. So, lo sinikeziwe yena, u-B, u-positive 70, plus u-A, minus 120, is equal to momentum ka-A final u-50 positive. Lo singavele simvule u-MV. I-momentum khumbula lingana no-MV. Le formula masiyivula vele sijwayele ukuyivula ngo-MV. So ngapha singathi 70 minus 120 kosikhiphela minus 50 kuleli side elingapha. Ngapha u-50 positive plus i-mass ka-object B lokhunye ngasinikeziwe u-3 and kuthiwa sitholeni velocity of object B. So lo 50 masimtranspose ngale sofike se-negative ngapha sibe no-3V kuzoba u-minus 100 3V divided by 3 divided by 3 u-V uzolingana so 600 divided by 3 kuzoba 33 minus 33,333 meters per second. Singaconclude which is 33,333 meters per second. East, askis soba west, we negative. So soba west, direction of velocity, the object. So should be and so